Okay, I'm about ready to take a break, but I cleaned the table off. Well, pretty much cleaned it off, at least so I can work here now, freeing up the radial arm so I can cut more pieces. Just wasn't room enough to be cutting there and have everything laid out nice. So I moved everything over here, and you can see the grid is started. So one thing I ran into is I need this one to go over top of this joint, because then I'm going to put a small piece in here, and then we'll have one coming the full distance. Now it's going to be a little tricky right here, but I could have it end there when I do, because this will be a full piece underneath. So it'll make more sense as I put it together. But basically every joint for the tile will be supported well. The only part will be open is this very center of each tile. And that should be good. I think they're strong enough for that. I'm not going to use the thicker one. I decided it's not, it needs the support of the backing. That's why it was on there. If I take it off, even if it comes off easy, if it came off really easy, I would do it, but that's not going to happen in this case. So I'm out of boards right now. So I'm going to go down and work on the tree, and then I will get more boards and bring them up. And we'll be resuming the stone tile countertop. Free lay. Because they're not going to be siliconed in or anything. They're going to free lay in there. Okay, it's coming along. This is the back side of them. I did flip them over this time. There is one little, this one right here is just a touch thinner, like a 1/16 of an inch. So that'll probably be okay though. In this end it's even less. I am going to bring up one or two. Still debating whether I want to use the onyx. It's such a beautiful tile and you can backlight it. But in this case I don't plan on backlighting. Yeah, it'd be the only one, so as far as I know, pretty sure it'd be the only one. Okay, let's get some more lumber and maybe work on the tree some too.